सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाहीन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joiya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation, Basic Level, Shaheen Test-3, Unit-15, Dictation Speed 70 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand, total time 38 minutes, ready, start. Nevertheless, it is my belief that with the valuable assistance of our civil engineer and clerk of works, we shall be able to prepare a number of specially designed residential flats. Full stop. I shall be grateful if you will let me have the plans as early as possible to enable me to make the necessary approaches. Full stop. We anticipate an early sale of your property and would like you to let us know which day in April you hope to move out of the house. Full stop. I note that although you had checked the security system before leaving, the burglar managed to climb into the house by breaking a double glazed window. Full stop. He felt that they would be delighted that, because of the healthy state of national affairs, both home and export markets had enjoyed good sales, as could be seen on the sheet attached to the agenda. Full stop. It is clear that we shall not be able to meet this month if the problems with the building are not settled soon. Full stop. The students are following a course in shorthand, audio, background to business, office management and word processing. Full stop. The local authority claims that the place is unsuitable for use as a home for the disabled. Full stop. I had not planned to make a charge for it, and as a free bulletin, I feel it will be very famous. Full stop. Nevertheless, when I called your office this morning, your assistant refused to tell me anything regarding my account. Full stop. I was very sorry to receive your message this morning reporting a burglary at your home last night. Full stop. We have lately decided that it is time we looked into all aspects of our methods of packaging goods. Full stop. As you know, we originally supplied plain black tiles only, but now we produce them in a beautiful blue and a bright flame color. Full stop. The amounts credited to my account are made up largely of salary payments, but other sundry items are also included, comma, and I believe one or two of these items may be incorrect. Full stop. Dear sirs, comma, will you kindly let us have as soon as possible your best price for the hardware listed on the attached worksheet. Full stop. Thank you for the statement which was delivered yesterday. Full stop. The students do not have a car, but I think arrangements are being made by your secretary for them to be given permits to use your staff coach. Stop writing, please.